Welcome to the Passive Installer video series. In this video, we will be covering how to install wireless passive thermostats. Each thermostat should be placed in a location that best reflects the temperature experienced by the householder. Ensure that the thermostat is installed at a convenient height for the householder, positioned away from radiators, drafts, or direct sunlight, and is not covered up by curtains or furniture. It's important that the thermostat is not installed in a room with active thermostatic radiator valves. The Passive Smart Thermostat learns the thermal behavior of the home, and this learning should not be disrupted by external heating factors. Upon receiving the wireless thermostats, they will be in sleep mode. Pressing the reset button on the back of the device will make it responsive to button presses for 1 hour or until paired with the programmer. The wireless thermostat uses 868 MHz communication and can typically cope with up to 3 internal walls between the thermostat and programmer. The maximum open space range is 100 meters. Firstly, fit the thermostat's wall bracket to an appropriate wall or one-gang mattress box using the screws provided. It is important to note that the wireless thermostats will only function while mounted on the wall bracket and cannot be treated as a portable device. Once the wall bracket has been mounted, you can fit the thermostat by hooking the top edge on the wall bracket and then pressing the bottom edge of the thermostat towards the wall until it clips into place, as shown. Repeat the process for the second thermostat if installing on a 2-zone system. The passive thermostat is now installed and can be paired during the commissioning process. To find out more about the Passive Smart Thermostat, visit our website at passiveuk.com. Passive, the smart way to control your heat pump.